ICSE board paper mathematics 2025-26 question number 10, and this is the last question of this paper, part 1. This is question on ratios. Question on ratios. Solution: x equal to 5ab upon a minus b is not equal to b. Now find x upon a. You divide both sides by a, you get, or you can say alternando. By alternando you can write, जब भी कोई टर्म नीचे या ऊपर जाती है तो उसे कहते हैं बाई alternando. This is x upon a is equal to 5b upon a minus b. This is the first answer, answer A. A part we have done. Using properties of proportion, find x plus a upon x minus a. You use the property of proportion, it means by componendo and dividendo. By componendo and dividendo. So it applied on both sides. It becomes x plus a upon x minus a equal to 5b plus a minus b upon 5b. When we subtract denominator minus a minus b, so it will become minus a plus b. Minus a plus b, which is equal to 5b minus b mean 4b plus a, 5b plus b, 6b minus a. This is the answer part B. This is the answer B part. So this was question number 10, first part. Next is, a survey was conducted on 300 families having 2 children each. The result obtained are given below. The number of girl child 2, 1, 0, and number of families 95 families having 2 children. Number of families 165 having child, only 1 girl child, and then 40 families have 0 girl child. Now having 2 child each, it means 2 child means there are 2 girl child, 1 girl child means one is boy. Now 0 girl child means 2 boys. The survey was conducted for 2 children each. Now what are the answers? Solution. First you write the formula. Probability of an event is equal to favorable event, favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now first part, that is A part. You first write the favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes. 1 girl child. This is 1 girl child, favorable है 165. 165 families. Now what to write? Probability probability that it will have one girl child, is equal to 165 upon total family is 300, 15 11 the 15 20 the is equal to 11.20. Now B part, one or more girl child. This is one girl child, one or more means two girl child. So we will add these two families, 195 and 165, favorable outcomes is equal to 95 plus 165, 260. So we will write probability that it will have one or more girl child, one or more girl child, 260 upon 300, 0 cancel 0, 2 15 the 2, 13 the answer is 13 upon 15. C part, favorable outcomes. Now that is no boy child. No boy child mean here is one boy child, here is two boy child, and is no boy child, only two girls. No boy child mean 95. Probability that it will have no boy child is equal to 95 upon 300, 5, 60 the 5, 19 the 19 upon 60. Now these are the three answers. This was question on probability. The third part, this is a question on circle. Here solution. Now find x, y, z, w. P, Q is a tangent. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. PQ is a tangent to the circle at B, and AB is equal to AC. If angle CBQ is 40, CBQ, find unknown angles XYZ. Now solution, PQ is a tangent and BC is a chord, Therefore angle this is equal to angle this. This is called alternate segment theorem. Therefore x is equal to 40. Therefore x is equal to 40 degree by alternate segment theorem. Now x is 40. Now y is what? Angle at the center is double the angle on the remaining part of the circle. Y is equal to, you write here 40 degree. Now y is equal to 80. Y is equal to twice of angle A, which is equal to twice into 40 is equal to 80 degree. Angle at the center, angle subtended by an arc, angle subtended by an arc at the center, is double the angle subtended by same arc on the remaining part of the circle, on the remaining part of the circle. Remaining part mean the angle subtended by an arc at the center, subtended by the double the angle subtended by the same arc on the remaining part of circle, मीन इस आर्क को छोड़ के कहीं भी पॉइंट होगा तो ये एंगल डबल होगा. द पॉइंट इज हेयर ए. नाउ दिस इज डबल देन ए. तो y इज इक्वल टू 80. Now how to find W? AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. This is given. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to ACB. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to ACB. Isosceles property. Isosceles property, or you can say angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Now A is 40. A is 40 plus ABC. ACB and ABC are equal. You can again write ABC instead of ACB is equal to 180 degree. 40 plus twice of ABC is equal to 180. Twice of ABC is equal to 180 minus 40, which is equal to 140. Now angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to ACB is equal to 70 degree. Both are 70 degree. This is 70 and this is 70. Now how to find W? W कैसे मिलेगा आपको? If you get this angle, then you subtract this angle from 70, you get W. Now we know OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC, radii of the same circle. Radii of the same circle. So in triangle OBC, angle 80 degree plus in triangle OBC, the angle OBC, you can first write OB is equal to OC, therefore angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. Again, isosceles property. This is isosceles property. Isosceles property. Now, in triangle OBC, angle BOC plus OBC plus OCB is equal to 180 degree angle sum property of triangle. Now, BOC is 80. BOC is 80 plus OBC plus OCB, they are equal. You can write twice of OBC is equal to 180. Twice of OBC is equal to 180 minus 80, which becomes 100, and OBC is equal to 100 upon 2, that is 50. OBC 50 degree. Now W is equal to 70 minus 50, which is equal to 20 degree. Now what is left? Z. For Z, you can write ABCD is an cyclic quadrilateral. This is ABCD. Okay, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle B plus angle D, angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Cyclic property, sum of opposite angle is 180 degree. So Z plus 70. Angle B is 70. You can write first 70 plus angle D, that is Z, which is equal to 180 degree. Z is equal to 180 minus 70. So Z is equal to 110 degree. Now write all the angles. X is equal to 40 degree. Y is equal to 80 degree. W is equal to 20 degree. And Z is equal to 110 degree. This was question number 10, third part. So this was the last question of the ICSE board paper. My dear students, if you like my explanation in all the questions, please like it, share it, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks.